family? It's your boy Black Feniks checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to give you a little wisdom on the 3 myths of wanting to be a welder. And I know you already always heard different lies about how to get into the field, and I'm going to kind of like destroy that myth real quick and give you some knowledge where you can be able to embrace this. So if you really want to be this, it's possible. And the first rule you got to break with the myth of being a welder is you need a high school diploma or a GED. You don't need no high school diploma or a GED to be a certified welder. The only thing you need is the willpower and the desire to be a certified welder. The rest of it you can get on the job training, or you can go get it from a tutor. So you don't have to go to a VOTEC school or a vocational school where they're going to require you to have a GED and require you to finish high school. You don't got to do all that. Number 2, needing a welding school or a college just to be one. You don't need a college or a welding school to be a certified independent welder. You need, once I say again, you need the desire to be one and get into the field by on-the-job training, working under someone else, spending your money and investing in a tutor who will give you all that he know from his time of being in the field. If he's out or still in, you can gain a lot of knowledge from someone who's already been involved in the field. So I would say get all the knowledge from someone who's been involved in the field. And number 3 is you need a loan or a grant to get started. No, you don't. Most of us take care of ourselves pretty decently. You know, we got nice clothes, whatnot on, so majority of the time your outfit, the money that you invest in your outfit can pretty much get your career started as being a welder. You're thinking you invest in, most companies charge $75 up to $125 an hour to teach you independently. Well, HogOn Welding consultants, we are charging $35 an hour to teach you how to be certified. Now that's a big cut, but the only reason we charge it so low because we really want to help our community. We want to help the people who really need this, so that way they can get to a next level. And then on top of it, we can get the materials a little cheaper, and we're asking you to bring in certain things as you work, so that way we can give you a better price, so it's a little cheaper on you. You know what I'm saying? But with anything that you do, it takes money to make money. So the 3 myths is you have to have a high school diploma, you need to go to college, or you got to get a loan. You don't need any of them. All you need is the audacity to be one, on the job train or work under someone, or pay for a tutor and start learning. YouTube is a great place to start because you can get a lot of free videos that'll show you techniques and starting to put in your mind the language and the terminology of being a welder, so that way you'll start learning the lingo. But other than that, hey, I would say find you someone who's certified that you can learn under, or go find you a part-time job. You might not make as much working for this company because you don't know how to weld, but let them know, hey, I want to do this. And a lot of fabrication shops will invest in you to learn how to weld, so that way they even pay you more, once you learn, because they feel like, oh, we need this good lower person to the company. And needless to say, you don't have to tell them your agenda that you just here to learn so that you can be independent, but go in there learning. Hey, the companies and the government have deceived us for how many years? So go in, give them your all, and learn your all, so that way you can be independent. HogOn Welding Consultancy, and I'm out.